Why active listening is crucial for managing difficult construction clients. No matter how simple a construction project is, if you do not pay attention to details and instructions from your client, definitely you are going to run into troubled waters. But if you pay attention and engage in active listening with them, then you will be on your way to delivering a smooth and stress-free project in terms of relationship with them. Now the question is, how do you engage in active listening in the most profitable way, and why is it crucial in managing difficult construction clients? All this I will be explaining in this video, so pay attention and make sure you watch this video to the end. My name is Alon Chukwemeka and this is Newton Series, where we discuss topical issues in civil engineering and construction project management. Now, let's dive into the business of the day. So, what is active listening? I see active listening as the art of paying full concentration and attention to the instructions and demand or even concerns of the client for the sole purpose of understanding these demands and instructions in order to provide solutions to them. It is an important skill in managing difficult clients. However, for you to engage in active listening in the most profitable way, then you need to observe the following. Number one, give undivided attention. When discussing or having a discussion with your client, please make sure you do away with anything that may bring distractions, something like your phone or even construction tools. Give them undivided attention so you can get exactly what they want. Number two, maintain eye contact. This is important because it shows you are paying attention, and also show expressions, facial expressions, or even something like nodding to what they are saying. That means you are really following. Okay? Next is to seek clarification to details. Ask why, when, or how they want it, okay? Whenever their concerns is, make sure you seek clarification in areas you don't understand. Ask them questions on specific issues you want them to touch on, okay? Do not assume you understand it when you don't. Again, do not interrupt your clients. Allow them to exhaust their thoughts before you can make your contributions, okay? Next, make sure you take note. This is very important as they will serve as a reminder in case you forgot. This will show that you really understand what was agreed. Last in my list is following up. Make sure you follow up and implement what was agreed and discussed. This is very important. Now, why is it crucial for managing difficult clients? Number one, establishing trust. Yes, if a client feels that he is genuinely hurt, he is most likely to trust you. And this is important for you in time of changes in the project or even as unexpected challenges. For instance, when a client brings a challenge or a concern to you, do not just shove them away. Please break out time to listen to them and make sure you go ahead to address their challenges. Find solutions to them and they will trust you the more. Number two, preventing misunderstanding. Yes, active listening helps in preventing misunderstanding in the long run, because when you pay attention to details and ask questions for clarification, you will be in a better position to handle changes. But if you do not listen carefully to the instructions and concerns of your client, it may lead to deadly mistakes in terms of deadlines and even rework. So active listening helps in preventing all these things, because you must have clarified all the gray lines, all the aspects that you don't understand by actively listening and asking questions for clarity. Number three, active listening helps in handling complaints and negative feedbacks. Yes, a time may come where your clients may feel concerned of one thing or the other on site. A situation where they might say they are not happy with the way the project is going. Maybe the timeline or one thing or the other on site. How do you handle? The worst thing to do in such scenario is for you to go defensive. The best thing you can do in situations like that, allow them to express themselves, then find a means to tackle those challenges or those concerns they raise. In that case, you will be able to win them over because you have shown professionalism, you have shown that you really care for them, and you also care for their concerns. Number 4, active listening improves collaboration. I have said it before and I'm saying it again that the construction project is not something you can handle all alone. Construction projects are a team effort. Sometimes clients do come on the table with conflicting ideas, things that will not work in the real life. In such situation, do not just shun them. Allow them express themselves, listen to them, and also it makes them feel among. Then what you need to do is to let them understand why it will not work. In situations like this, when they feel among, when they feel included, they are sure to listen to your expertise. Now, if you are getting value from what we are doing here, why not subscribe to our channel and do well to turn on the notification button, like and share it so you'll be motivating us to do more. Number 5, it reduces stress for both parties. Yes, when you keep listening to the instructions of your clients and their concerns, you pay attention to details, it will help foster good relationship. It will reduce conflict and miscommunication. Even with the most difficult clients, when you pay attention to details, when you give ears to their concerns and instructions, it will foster good relationship, reduce miscommunication, and even stress. Are you getting it now? Both of you will work together smoothly and deliver a stress-free project. So whether you are dealing with the most difficult clients or you just want to keep your project on track, then you must have to listen actively to your clients. You must have to actively engage with them. You must show concern, genuine concern to their challenges. Are you getting it now? You must also make sure you reduce misunderstanding and communication, thereby reducing stress in your project. Now, make active listening one of the soft skills you must develop for you to achieve success in the construction industry. See you next time.